everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. Welcome to my baby boy's crib. It was really hard to find a mobile for him. There doesn't seem to be a whole lot, and I really wanted it to match the theme of his room. Thankfully, I came across this Lambs and Ivy Jungle Safari baby mobile, and it's so cute and it matches perfectly with all the theme and the colors in his room. We've had this for over a year now, and it's very durable. He likes to pull on all of these things, and there's no rips, tears, nothing is wrong with this, and it still works perfectly. Another great thing about it is that it has the option to turn the volume up or down. I love how cute this mobile is and the nice muted colors, and also that it has a volume adjustment. And you're gonna love it too. But that's just my point of view.